Today, the angels bring an extremely important message directly to you about someone who constantly occupies a place in your thoughts and emotions. This person has a fundamental revelation that they have been holding onto for some time. They need you to understand how deep the gap left by your absence is, how their life seems to lose alignment without you around. Nothing flows or happens as expected in your absence. This person, whose thoughts and feelings are intertwined with yours, fervently believes that you were made for each other, that you are the manifestation of their true love. However, this belief has remained hidden, kept as a precious secret. The reason for this lies in the ongoing struggle they face in trying to express their deepest emotions and feelings. Sincerely, they see in you the ideal partner, the person who complements their existence, but the scars left by previous traumas and personal challenges have caused them to withdraw, creating a barrier to protect themselves from the outside world. This emotional shield they have built around themselves is the result of an intense fear of reliving past pains. They fear that by opening up completely, they might once again find themselves vulnerable to emotional wounds, causing hesitation in fully sharing the intensity of their feelings for you. The uncertainty about the future, the worry about the difficulties that might arise, and the possibility of facing seemingly insurmountable challenges haunt them continuously. This fear not only holds them back, but also creates a cloud of doubt that obscures the full potential of a shared life. However, despite these internal barriers, there is a powerful force within them that struggles to emerge, to break the chains of insecurity and truly reveal itself to you. This energy, fueled by a deep and genuine affection for you, strives to overcome the past and connect with the promising future that you both could have. When they look into your eyes, they don't just see the person they love, but they see their own soul reflected back. It's a deep and undeniable connection, a true communion of spirits that transcends words, resonating with a harmony they rarely experience. This internal struggle, this battle between the fear of the past and the desire for the future, defines the current state of their heart. They are on a personal journey, trying to reconcile their desire for love and intimacy with the fear of new pain. Each day is a step towards the potential of fully opening their heart to you, of shedding the armor they have built around themselves and surrendering to the vulnerability that true love demands. Besides a deep emotional connection, they feel an undeniable and intense physical attraction to you. This attraction manifests as a burning desire for intimacy, an intense aspiration to be close, to share moments not only emotionally, but also physically. However, a barrier stands between desire and action: fear. This fear is not simply a passing hesitation. It is a constant presence that acts as a dense veil, obscuring and distorting the clarity of their feelings. They find themselves struggling against this veil, trying to find a way to express their true feelings, but often feel hindered, as if paralyzed by the uncertainty and concern about how their emotions might be received. Despite these challenges, it is crucial to recognize their determination to overcome these obstacles. They have concrete plans to open up to you in the next 6 months. This is not a vague or indefinite plan. It is marked by a firm commitment to make a significant change in the way they relate to you. The exact timing of this revelation may vary. It could be today, tomorrow, next week, or perhaps next month, depending on how circumstances unfold. What is important is that they are committed to this journey of self-expression and preparation to be emotionally and physically available in a way they never have been before. What you can expect, for sure, is that within the stipulated 6-month period, there will be a transformation in the dynamics between you two. You will gain a clearer and more precise view of where you both stand in relation to each other. This change will not be subtle. It will be evident and striking, reflecting a new level of openness and vulnerability on their part. They are aware that this step is essential not only for the growth of the relationship, but also for their personal development. They understand that the road ahead may be challenging, and that moments of doubt and hesitation may arise as they struggle to remove the veil that has kept their true feelings hidden. However, their resolve to face these fears and move towards a more intimate and authentic relationship is strong. They wish to build a foundation of trust and transparency with you, hoping that you both share not only joys and successes, but also vulnerabilities and fears. This person, whose thoughts and feelings have been consumed by the idea of a shared life with you, is deeply involved in reflections about what the future could bring for both of you. The prospect of a future together is both terrifying and enchanting for them. There is an undeniable appeal to the idea of sharing days, weaving dreams and realities side by side, but there is also a hesitation, a fear that arises from past experiences that did not go well. They are haunted by the fear that history might repeat itself, that complications might arise again and impede the flow of this much-desired union. However, what dominates their thoughts more than anything is the fear of loneliness. The idea of being alone, of not having someone to share life's ups and downs with, weighs more heavily on their heart than the fear of the unknown. This fear of a solitary existence is more powerful than any uncertainty about what a relationship with you might entail. It is this need for connection, intimacy, and partnership that is driving them to consider a significant change in how they relate to you. Therefore, in the coming months, be prepared for a remarkable leap of faith on their part. They are aligning themselves to take a decisive step towards you, a gesture of openness and honesty that they hope will strengthen the bonds between you. They want to be completely transparent with you, expressing their deepest feelings and vulnerabilities, in the hope that this will establish a solid foundation for your future together. They not only desire but need to take this step to avoid the fate of a life of isolation that they fear so much. They are therefore willing to take the risk, to set aside old fears in favor of an opportunity to make things right this time. An offer is being formulated, a sincere proposal that they plan to present, which has the potential to significantly alter the course of your lives. This offer is not a mere formality. It is an invitation to embark on a joint journey, a shared commitment aimed at building a future where both are partners and confidants. Be open and receptive to this new phase that is about to begin. The person we are talking about is currently immersed in an intense journey of introspection and deep reflection. They are fully dedicated to the process of carefully thinking about how to make a very significant offer to you. They are engaged in a meticulous evaluation of every aspect of this proposal, from the formulation of the words to the approach to the situation, with a keen eye on all the details involved. This meticulousness demonstrates how crucial they consider this next step, and their determination to execute it in the most correct way reflects the importance you have to them and the value they place on your relationship. They are fully aware that every detail counts and that precision in their actions can define the future for both of you. This is not just a romantic gesture. It is a declaration of intentions that they intend to make with complete clarity and sincerity. They want this offer not only to meet expectations, but also to open new possibilities for your relationship. For them, it is essential that everything is planned and executed perfectly, as they understand that the impact of this moment can be transformative. However, it is crucial to understand that the process of preparing for such a significant step involves time and deep self-assessment. Currently, they do not feel completely ready to move forward. This does not indicate a lack of desire or hesitation due to lack of interest. On the contrary, they are consciously investing their time and energy in their personal journey of self-discovery and growth. They are focused on improving themselves, facing their insecurities, and overcoming barriers that might prevent them from fully expressing themselves. They are committed to becoming the best version of themselves, not just for you, but as an act of self-respect and personal evolution. They realize that by improving themselves, they will be better prepared to contribute more significantly to your relationship. They want to ensure that when they finally make this offer, everything is perfectly aligned, both emotionally and practically, so that you can both move forward together harmoniously and with full confidence in each other. As they continue their inner journey, they are dedicating more and more efforts to achieving a deeper sense of happiness, strengthening their inner core, and seeking more complete personal fulfillment. This internal transformation is not a sudden event, but a gradual and extremely crucial process that is shaping them for a truly sincere and meaningful encounter with you. They are aware that this internal maturity is essential to ensure that, when they finally feel ready, they can offer the best of themselves in the relationship. They firmly believe that by reaching this new stage of personal satisfaction, they will be better equipped to face and overcome any challenges that may arise between you, strengthening the relationship in a lasting way. Although from the outside it may sometimes seem that they do not care or appear distant, the reality is completely different. Their mind and heart are often with you, reflecting on what life would be like by your side. They think about you constantly, not just in a superficial way, but deeply integrated into their life and vision of the future. They imagine how wonderful it would be to share every aspect of daily life with you and your family, thinking about how each little detail could be intertwined with yours. This vision of a shared life goes beyond just living together. They envision a complete integration of your lives in a meaningful and harmonious way. They dream of a future where your routines, challenges, joys, and sorrows are shared and faced together as a cohesive team. This idea, although full of hope and promises, also carries with it a weight of reality, knowing that such a commitment requires significant changes and continuous dedication from both sides. Of course, facing such changes can be a daunting prospect. The idea of completely altering their current life and the commitments it entails can generate fear and hesitation. However, they are determined to overcome these fears. They are committed to doing whatever it takes to make this vision a reality, facing any obstacles that may appear on the path with courage and determination. They understand that these challenges are just part of the process of building a solid and enriching relationship that both of you deserve. At this moment, they are deeply immersed in reflections about you, dedicating their thoughts to how they can overcome the fears and anxieties surrounding this relationship, which they consider exceptionally special. The love they nurture for you is authentic and intense, a feeling that emerges from the deepest part of their being. They are completely determined to face and overcome any emotional barrier that might interfere with the path they wish to follow by your side. Every time you express your love and support, you send a powerful message to the universe, a signal that you are both ready to face any challenges that may arise, reinforcing the mutual commitment to make this relationship not just survive but truly thrive. It is essential that you are equally prepared to deal with any frustrations or uncertainties that may emerge on this joint path. With each step, it is important that you affirm, both internally and to them, that your love is deep and unwavering, and that you are fully engaged in overcoming any obstacles that may arise. This determination of both to face adversities together is what strengthens the relationship, making it grow stronger and more cohesive. Additionally, the process of reconciliation involves much more than simply picking up where things left off or reviving a relationship from the past. It is an opportunity to address and resolve pending issues, to clarify misunderstandings, and repair any damage that may have been caused. It is a joint effort to shape a future you both wish to share, based on understanding, respect, and genuine love. This commitment to rebuild, to work together to establish a solid foundation, is what will allow the relationship to flourish in new and beautiful ways. Therefore, as you walk together on this journey, remember that each small gesture of love and each word of support are bricks that build the structure of a shared life. Face each challenge as an opportunity to strengthen your bond, and each day as a chance to get even closer to each other. With this mindset and mutual dedication, you will not only overcome obstacles, but also create a resilient and loving relationship, ready to face whatever the future may bring. Remember, you are worthy and loved. If you agree, type, "I am deserving and destined for a true and genuine love, a love that transcends all barriers." Fully internalize this message and all the blessings it contains, repeating with conviction. Love is a beautiful, strong, and happy feeling, and I deserve to love and be loved in its entirety and fullness. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the next inspiring messages. I look forward to seeing you soon. Together, we will lift our spirits and create waves of positive energy that will envelop the world. Stay tuned for the next important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe continue to illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.